So, welcome to the channel. I've been looking at this chart right here and I want to give you my thoughts about it. If we look at this right here as a cycle on its own, that ends here where we begin to rally into another cycle. Now, this cycle here can be separated from here to give us this other cycle here. This cycle here had a death cross. This cycle here is about to have a death cross here. Now, if we look here, we suffered for 3 months here. And here is just the beginning of the first month that we are below the 200-day moving average. That is the green line for those who don't understand this. I will leave my technical analysis tutorial playlist below so that you can learn some of this if you don't understand anything about what I'm saying here. Now, this here tells us that if this cycle was a cycle on its own, and this was also a cycle on its own that ended in a death cross here, and we had a golden cross in this other cycle, and we are about to have a death cross, then that could mean that we could as well suffer for some months here. That was on the daily time frame. If we look at this from the monthly time frame, this here was December, this is January, and this will be February. Let's say we go up from there. But what makes me think we may not go up is the total crypto market cap. The total crypto market cap shows us that we have been on an ascending channel all along. Now, we broke out of that ascending channel to the downside. When we do break out of an ascending channel to the downside, it means that we will go down as low as the distance from here to here, which is the widest part of the channel. That will give us a market cap of $1.485 trillion. This will wreak havoc in the Bitcoin price, and well, in the altcoin price, we all know what will happen. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we will see that Bitcoin is nearly giving us a double bottom here. Why do I say it could be a double bottom? This will mean that money is flowing back from altcoins into Bitcoin. And when that is happening, it means that investors are thinking that this is a bear market and they are trying to protect their investments. So they are moving those investments into Bitcoin. With each pump that the market has, if we look here on CoinMarketCap, we will see Bitcoin at $43,539. And this is a pump. This is a 1%, 1.59% pump. And we can see other coins pumping heavily. And what I am doing is when any of my coins do pump, I take profits. Now, I do not think 39,700 was the bottom. I don't think so. I think the market still have to dump, and some may say that I'm a bear and I want the markets to keep going down. I don't, because I am actually losing money in some of my positions. But I would want you to consider the fact that this might as well have been the top. That's what I want people to consider. We have been looking on this channel, we have been looking at an ascending triangle here, and we've been talking about this. I even made a video explaining what an ascending triangle is and a descending triangle. I will leave that in the description too if you don't have an idea. Many people still think Bitcoin is going up, and I do think Bitcoin will go up if it follows what we are seeing here. But it is important to see that this here did not break out of the ascending triangle. This stayed inside of the ascending triangle. If we take the distance from here to here, it's given us about $19,000, which is similar to our prediction of $20,000 from a head and shoulders pattern on the weekly. This confirms a lot. That is why I say it again, I'll be very careful with investing in crypto now. If I am not yet invested in crypto, I will not be doing that now. The only time we can consider ourselves safe is when we break above $52,000. When we break above the blue line here, that is the time we could consider ourselves safe. And even at that, if you invest here and it goes back up here, of course you would have made the profits from here to here. But what I am thinking is this may as well go down, and it is not may, it might as well go down. So I would be very careful. Always consider, always know too that in bear markets, we always have some price pumps. So it's not just a single red candle that keeps going down and there is no pump. No, we still have price pumps along the way, which are basically to convince people to FOMO back into the markets, like this is it and we are going back up. You come in and get wrecked. So I don't think 39,700 was the bottom. I think we're still going to go lower. A lot of you have been asking me to do a video where I talk about some crypto terms and I explain them, so I will be doing that soon. So subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video.